everyone. Today we will be learning about Facebook Business Manager and how we can get access from our clients or give access our uh, Facebook pages, Instagram, and ad account access to someone else or sharing your Facebook credentials. So first thing what we need to do is we need to open business.facebook.com/settings. It will take you to the business manager uh, homepage where you can select the business manager you want to use, or if you don't have the business manager, you can create one by clicking on this blue button. So the limit for business managers you can create is four. If you have four business manager, you cannot create more. So I already have one business manager created here and I want to provide access. So we will create this scenario that this business manager is our client's business manager and we want to take access from their business manager to their pages, Facebook page, ad account, and their Instagram account. So everything you need is in business manager. You don't have to go to Facebook account or open the client's Facebook account and go to their settings and take admin access to their page and then create separate ad account for them. Everything you need will be in Facebook Business Manager. Some people get confused with the Meta account. Meta is totally different from the business manager. So whenever you want to take access or provide access for your Facebook pages or ad account, you always need to do it from business manager because it is easy. It is easy to remove access. Yeah, and you don't have to share the password with anyone. So whenever you want to remove access from the people you already shared your accounts, your Facebook page, Instagram page, or your ad account, you just need to come here in the partners or in peoples and just click on remove, and they will all the accesses will be removed instantly. You don't have to do anything else. So it is a best place to share your assets with anyone. And also in this business manager, you can also share, you can also create the pixels before in the data sources. Before, the pixels was created in the pixels section, but now Facebook has moved the pixels section to data sets. And if you can see here, you can easily create all the pixels by adding by clicking on the add button. But we will go to pixels later in a future videos. So this video will I will only teach you how you can share assets with your partner, or how you can gain access from anyone you want to run ads on their account. So it is a simple process. What you need to do when you're in a business manager, if you are in your client's business manager, you need to go into partners, and here this one is for partners to share assets with. If you're sharing your assets with someone else, you need to click on add button here, and if you're requesting access from your client, you need to click on add button. So right now we are assuming this scenario that we are gaining access from our client's screen directly. So what we need to do is we need to click on the add button, and then we can provide the business manager ID here. So what we need to do is we are on a client's screen, and we need to add here our business manager ID so we can get access all the access from clients assets. So what we need to do, we need to find our business manager ID first to put it in here. So where you can find your business manager ID is, you can scroll down to the left section and go to business information. In the business information, under the name, it will give you business manager ID. So we only need this digits, and you can copy it from your business manager and come back to client's business manager screen and go into partners, click on add. So I'm going to put here example business ID to show you what is the next process. So once you put the business ID details here, and you can click next. Once you click next, it will show you all the assets on the left side, and what client have under those assets on the right side in the middle section. So what you need to do, you need to go one by one to all the assets and the accounts which you need access for. So for example, if we need access for this Facebook page, you need to check that if the client's Facebook page is on classic version or the new page experience. If it's a new page experience or a classic version, it doesn't matter. It just, you need to check if where it is so you can have access. So this one is on new page experience. We just select the page and turn on all the options here. So we can run ads, we can check all the revenue, we can check all the insights and the contact of the page. So by checking all these options, you will also have access to the client's Facebook page. You can also delete the post, you can have story access, you can protect your copyright content, everything. You will get, basically you will get an admin access, but you cannot delete the page, or you don't have a top level access, but you will have the partial access where you can run ads on your client's behalf, you can manage their Facebook pages on your client's behalf. Okay, so what we need to do next is we need to if we will be running ads for our client, we need to go into ad account and check if the client already have an ad account. So if the client already has an have an ad account, we just simply need to select here the same process and turn on all the options in on the right section. So we will so you will be assigning all the permissions to yourself from your client's ad manager. After the ad account, we need to go into Instagram. These are three top level access which you need to have to to manage your client's Facebook account, Instagram account, and run ads on both Instagram and Facebook account. So only these three top level access you need to have in the first step. So if you so after this Instagram account, we need to just simply select that, and the same process we need to turn on all the options, and then that's it. For the first step, these are the simple process. You just need to do all these things and just click save. Once you click save, it will it will be done, and then you don't have to do anything else. So okay, so once you click next, once you click save, it will give all the accesses to your client, to yourself from your client account, and you can also request access from your client. So now this is the second scenario where you're in your business manager and you want to send the request to your client business manager to get access. So what you need to do is click on get access, and then you need to define that what will be your role here. Your role will be as a media agency, and you will be the partner role will be the business or brand. So then you need to put your partner's business manager ID here, and your request will be sent to this business manager account. So what you need to do, you need to put business manager ID here of your client. In most scenarios, this process will work really good if your client already know about business manager, business ID, and how to provide access to someone else. This scenario will work really best because you don't have to go to Zoom or screen share with your client and work with them on the screen share and get access. This scenario will work perfectly fine if your client knows what is business manager and how to provide access. But if they don't know how to provide access, they will end up messing up everything, and you then in the end you have to go with them on Zoom and make them understand what access you will be needing. So the best thing is, if you know that your client have information about business manager and they have knowledge about how to use that, you will just simply ask them their business account ID, so which they can get from directly if they go to left side and at the bottom of this section business info. Here they will get their business manager ID. They can provide you this ID, and you can come back to your business manager, go to add a here section, get started, put their name. It doesn't matter what name you put here. You can put their name, you can put their business name here, you have to put their email ID here, which they have created their business manager account and their business manager ID. Once you do this, you need to select your business role, which will be media agency, and the partner role, which will be your client's ID, client's role. You need to select brand or business. On the next step, it will be asking you which type of assets you will be asking permission from your client. So you need to select page and turn on all the settings here and go to ad manager, add account, and then turn on all the settings here, go to pixels. So what you need to do, you need to go one by one on all these settings, and then turn them on. Once you do this, you can click on confirm and review. On this section, it will show you what type of top level access you have asked. So it will not send the exact access to your client. It will not ask them their exact page access. It will only send them a request that you are asking their assets request, and there will be a link in the client's email, and it will be asking them to go to their business manager, and they have to go into their business manager and select all the assets individually, the pages, the ad account, the pixels, the Instagram. They have to select each assets individually, many Facebook pages and Instagram under one Facebook profile. So they have to go there and select each page individually, so you can get proper and exact access from them. So this process will be easy from your side, but it will make the confusion to the client if they don't have proper knowledge of Facebook Business Manager. But the best process is go to your clients, set up a meeting with them on Zoom, do a screen share with them, ask them to give you remote access and open browser and open business.facebook.com/settings and select their business manager, go into their business manager, and in the partners section, click on add and add your business manager ID here and get all the access from them instantly. It will take only 5 minutes and it will not confuse the client. So in this process, we have learned how you can get access from your client business manager and how you can request them access to get all their assets permissions. In the next video, I will be teaching you how you can create ad accounts, how you can create ad accounts from your business manager if you will be running ads on your client behalf, and from your bank detail, you will be paying their ads account budget. And if the client wants to pay the ad accounts spent, you need to get access from and run ads from client's ad account. And in this Facebook series, we will be learning a lot of things, that how you can create a really good Facebook campaign which will turn all your clicks into cash, which will give you more leads, how you can create a high performing ad campaign using minimum budget, and how long you have to run the ads. I will teach you all the tricks and tips about Facebook ads, Facebook Business Manager, and how to run a Facebook campaign which will turn into a revenue. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and turn on the notifications so you will be get notified about our upcoming videos. And in this series after Facebook, I will be teaching you about Shopify ads, how you can create e-commerce campaigns, and about Google AdSense. We will be learning about Amazon, and there are a lot to come. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.